guys. Last but not least, Maxim.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Hi to everyone. I'm very glad to be here. And it's absolutely new experience for me. I'm a little nervous. Sorry for this. This is my speech, and I don't know, redo it like 1 millionth time, and even ask for help some native speakers to correct it. But it's still not perfect. So I just want to, remove it and speak by heart. I hope it will be much better. Sorry if my English will be ugly sometimes. I'm not so fluent in it. So let's start. Who still don't know me? I'm Max. I'm from Abakan. It's a little town in Siberia. I work in a Laniturcom company and take a part in development for company the McGraw-Hill Education and the R9 company. The most successful product Learn Smart, Smart Book, Smart Builder. It's big product with a million subscribers. So all here I think I want to create some very good, new and amazing stuff. So I wanted to, and Haxe is the best way for me to do it. Wait a second. So I want to present now what we done for this last year using Jive UI library. First product called Exploitatsiya in Russian. To translate in English, it will be maintenance, and it provides some program, some application, what helps communicate better between people and the company which maintains the apartments. So let's see the demo. It's on Russian, but I will describe a little. So first form is form with some basic information like water, electricity consumption, some history buttons, some billings, and so on. It's a lot of information, and we use some interactive elements to hide it or show when it's necessary. Yeah, I speak a little faster than expected. Okay, and we have pay button, the main button. Second form, it provides more information about each consumption. You can choose some, for example, electricity, and see this consumption by a table or a chart. Table have a lot of lines and still works pretty well. Chart, I hope, too. Yeah, and when you click on some point, you can see additional information, although you can choose some like time period, yeah, choose it. Okay, so yeah, and see some information about time period. You can choose like day, week, or month, and yeah, you can see it, for example, here by months. Another tab provides some ticket system when the user can write some problem to the maintenance company. Let's write something and attach a photo. Yeah, you can attach photo from gallery or from camera. It's all features integrated by Jive UI, so you can use it. It's not necessary to write it. Yeah, there are mouse on the table, you see it. It's a big problem for maintenance company. Okay, and we have left menu. Yeah, a little later we will have it. Yeah. Okay, left menu when we have some additional information and again some interactive elements, and let's look how text field works in some form like option settings. You can see that it's It's native, yeah, of course. Text fields today is native for us, so all features they support for iOS or Android. Okay, and yeah, another beautiful login form will be soon. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's go. Another our project called Clover. It's provides some discount system. So user can get some discount based on his purchase history. So he just go with his smartphone to the shop and show this code, which like can generate it each time, and customers just make a photo for his smartphone. He have another application on it, and see discount value. So very interesting project. And we still continue work with the Molinella project. It's some site when you can upload photo and have some sham for cross-stitching. Yeah, this idea was presented last year by Nikolai Gavrinchikov. Yeah, you know, I want to share with you some real code, this form, and I want to show you files, what we use to create this form. Okay, you have some demonstration, presentation mode. Okay, let's. Oh, it looks not so good. Okay, it's XML file. So let's choose something good. Can we do it? For example, gpanel element, and we use some additional settings, layout, settings like background. We have binding here, and let's look for another things. Why not? Because yeah, it's example of binding in another direction. So for example, for text field, we need to know exactly current value of this text field. So if user change it, we know about it. Okay, let's see another file. Okay, it's a model. So we have view model view pattern. So it's a model, and it provides some interaction. Let's, for example, find something good. Well, for example, it's a logo icon, and it was some binding. So a little more. So we have binding variables, and we can change it in our code in any time to have a new logo, but it's still in XML. So we use in XML. Okay, let's finish this presentation, because tomorrow I will have a workshop, and I will show to you how to code on Jive. No, okay. Okay, the main thing I want to present now is our future plans. So, Jive, current version of Jive, what we release, it's based on Orca Swing, and in general, first idea was to use it to websites. So, but then we had some application, some order to create application for mobile platform, and we start to use it for mobiles, but it's sometimes not perfect. So our idea to create Jive second version, and we want to write it from zero. We already start to write it like a month ago, from zero without Orca Swing, and here is the main ideas. So one of the best idea and yeah, our goal is to do our library very easy to use, so that new user didn't have any problem in installing it with coding on it. So yeah, another thing is performance. We want to do our library that application what was wrote by in our library works as fast as possible, so not slower than native application. And we want beautiful and smooth animation for all elements, close to user experience, close to some native animation. Of course, it's hard to believe, but we want to create a lot of documentation. So, yeah, and we already have our awesome site. We released it like a week ago. But you can find there some documentation, some demonstration of our projects, some our blog, and we already wrote some articles in it. So if you take a little time and read it and give us feedback, some feedback, we will be very glad to see it. So I want to again say the main idea, to focus on it. The main idea is that it's a lot of good, very good programmers here, and we can create a really awesome application, but still a lot of people want to do it, mobile application. Sometimes it's very hard because lack of documentation, because sometimes things too complicated, and you know, we want to fix it. We want that our library was really easy to use, that people even without special education can go and write their own application. So we want to make our library accessible to everyone. So it's our main goal. Okay, this is our contact, so feel free to contact with us about any question, about any your suggestion, maybe some ideas, what you want to see in our library. Thank you. Oh, I did it. Okay, thank you. Questions?
Is your next version also going to be based on OpenFL?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Did you consider alternatives?
We thought about it, but it's not our priority plan. So we have huge count of ideas in the future, but of course we prioritize it. First thing, it's now we try to solve performance issue. It still exists, and it's really challenge for us. And after we fix it, we want to continue move, like go further. Through our plans, and in these plans, for example, we have some feature like visual editors, what creates a very good code, and for example, you can check like network behavior there, like check mark, and this visual editor creates some basic code for network behavior. So less code for user, and but to do another target, not to use OpenFL. Maybe not. So now we use OpenFL, yeah.
So you say you had the native text field, but the rest is just like an OpenGL, OpenFL graphics, is that right?
Yeah, you know, we just have some task to and create our own text field. What works very good was like takes much longer time, so we start to use native. But in next version, we want to create our own. What will works, not worse, and we'll have some features close to native. Yeah.
Okay, we've got one question. Have you tested it on NME?
Yeah, it's a question for our main wizard, Kolya. Can we test it or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
Yes, we tested actually maybe a half a year ago, and now we have a big progress, and current version it can be compiled with NME.
Yeah, great.
Okay. Looks clear here. Nobody else? Okay, thank you, Maxim.
Thank you, guys.